Shakas, hello crafty friends, it's Makaz Home. Today I'm sharing with you a die that I got from Scrap Diva Designs. It is the star closure clip tags, and it comes in a set of 4. They are scaling, is that the word? Scaling sizes. They start from this size and scale up to this size. And so there's 4 of them there. When I first saw it, I thought it was layering. I thought it was to layer, but yeah, it is not. It is not. So I have a bunch of scraps that I have here, and I'm gonna cut a whole bunch of them out, and then I'll be back. Okay, I've cut a whole bunch of them out in the 4 different sizes. I'm halfway through cutting and using up the scraps. I'm just going to use up all the scraps that I brought out and cut them. I'll have extra cuts, but you know, they come in handy when they're already cut out for future projects. So I'm also going to cut out some white cardstock and sandwich them in between 2 of the designs. Unless it's the vellum paper, then I'll have a sandwich between that, and then another one with the white cardstock in between. Hopefully that makes sense. But I'll be back once I've made them more sturdy and I haven't decorated them yet. Okay, so these are the ones that I got, or some of the ones I got. I got a lot more. But these are the ones that I've got, and so I've backed them to get them to be more sturdy. Yeah. This one is the one with the vellum. I like how this one came out. I have some. You can see where I put the glue. I don't like how those came out. So I'm going to cut some extra pieces and cover those so I can use them. But this one is fine. You can't tell where the glue is. I don't know. But yeah, so those are the different sizes. And let me get a bag. Okay, so like any type of bag, even the cellophane bags, but this is an organza bag, so if you have stuff in it, and then you can just, you know, clip it there, and that's how your tag is going to be. And you can adjust, you know, like I have a jelly tote here, I made these, and you can just stick it on as a tag, all different sizes. Probably fit. Let's see the smaller ones. Yeah, that one is a little more snug. And then the real tiny one. But yeah, let me get another bag. Okay, like these kind of cello bags, like the little candy bags. And then you bunch it up, and then they'll fasten on these as well. So then you have your tag for your little treat. How cute, right? Okay. So that's how those tags are used. I got some that I've decorated already. I'm just gonna add these. I store all my extra stuff with the die itself. I did end up using this postage stamp die. I think that's what it's called. Heart postage stamp die set. I've used some of those, and then I've used some Stamps of Life stamps as well. So these are the ones that I've decorated. And I can use and share with my crafty friends. So let's see, this is one of the tiny ones. How cute. This is just a heart, foam heart with a star on it. It's kind of simple. This is one of the bigger tags. And then I've layered them up some too. This is the XOXO shaker die from Scrap Diva. There's the postage stamp. And then some of these, actually all of this die cuts, this layering piece and this were all gifted to me by crafty friends. Here's another one. And I just took all these die cuts and rosettes and whatever I've had in my stash to assemble these. Yeah. Here's another one. And I just made some of these shakers recently. I'll leave a link to the video here if you didn't get to see that. Here's another one. The small one of the second to the last size. And then here's a bigger one. Just says be mine. And this is a bigger one as well. This is the second size, I think, from the biggest. There's another one. And then these layered hearts I received from a crafty friend like a couple years ago. And these are the last two I had. And so I decided to use them on these projects. I think they're so cute. It says so sweet. So those are them, and these look like the layered dies from Scrap Diva now, but she made these a few years ago. So, and there's another one, and then I have this last one here. So yeah, those are the tags I made. I hope you guys are having a great day, great week. You guys are getting into the Valentine's season. I guess it's almost time to wrap up and get on to St. Patrick's Day. Do you guys craft for St. Patrick's Day? Let me know in the comments below. I try to, just because, you know, it's green, and green's my favorite color. But then otherwise, St. Patrick's Day, the next is Easter. Yeah. We're moving right along this year. Look at that. But I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!